Hey everyone, thank you for tuning in to mgmclassiccars.com here in Addison, Illinois, where you're going to find over 200 classic muscle and modern vehicles that we own. You can check them all out at mgmclassiccars.com. If you guys need financing, it's not a problem. If your credit score is between 630 and 770, you will need obviously good credit and 10% down of the purchase price. You can roll in all of your list of options. We have a full service department. Rates start at about 8%. You can check out that application at mgmclassiccars.com. If your score is over 775, please text me and I'll give you my lender's direct phone number for rates starting at 6.99, no money down option, unsecured loan. You will find all these cars at mgmclassiccars.com, guys. I'm sure something will tickle your fancy. Now let's get to the next video. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGM Classic Cars here in Addison, Illinois. And today I have this beautiful 1987 Buick Grand National with T-tops. This particular Grand National has a clean Carfax report and backed up also by an auto check clean report. In its lifetime, this Grand National has only had 4 previous owners. Now, by looking at this vehicle, it is super clean. It's always been garage kept in a climate control garage. As you guys, gals know that these Buick Grand Nationals came with a 3.8 liter V6 turbo engine. They also came with an automatic 4-speed overdrive transmission. But this particular Grand National has T-tops. I also have the T-tops here, the glass T-tops, in perfect condition, along with the bags. Okay. Now this one has power steering, power disc brakes, which they all did. Lots of paperwork with this vehicle, guys. I can email that to you by request. This is a highly documented Grand National with original warranty book, original title from 1987, okay? Very nice on the exterior and on the interior. This car has definitely been repainted because it looks like a piece of glass. And I will show you that. Here's a picture of the car in front of one of the owner's driveways. But all the fillers are in great condition. The paint is like a mirror all the way around, as you can see me, okay? The reflection goes miles and miles deep all around the vehicle. There are no blistering, there's no rust bubbles, cracks, nothing like that in the paint. The body fillers, which is all in here, okay, have all been replaced and repainted. The trunk, we removed the carpet that you see there to show you how solid the car is. There's your RPO sticker, which I took a picture of, and you can see that in the photo shoot, okay? We're very proud to have this Grand National here. We do have others. As of today, December 6, 2025, I have currently in stock this Buick T-top Grand National. I also have a hardtop Buick Grand National and an Astro Roof Buick Grand National. Okay, so lots to choose from that you guys can definitely check out at mgmclassiccars.com. Now, the interior of this Grand National is original. It is stock. Inner and outer door jambs are in great condition along with the door sill plates. Recline passenger seat with the seat belts. Here in the glove box here, you got the button to open up the trunk. Nice dash there, center console, shifter, factory cassette radio, tilt wheel, cruise control, stock cluster. The car has 118,000 miles, but you'll never guess. You will never guess. Very well maintained. I hope you guys take the time out to definitely check out the paperwork. But look at this paint. Engine compartment is in beautiful condition. Everything functions like it should. Okay. And I'm going to definitely fire it up for you guys to check out as well. Driver's seat is power. Okay. There's your tilt cruise, center console, belts, back seats. Now let's hear it run. The temperament is really good on the Grand National. She is ready, folks. If you've been looking for an 87 with a clean body and newer paint with T-tops that runs excellent, and it's got great pedigree with all the documentation, and only 4 owners with a clean Carfax report, I think you found it. Okay, so here we are. If you guys would like to know a few known facts about the vehicle, I can send them to you, but one of the known facts about an 87 Buick Grand National is that it debuted at the 1982 Daytona 500. In 1982, guys. Not as the fire-breathing performance car it would become, okay? But an appearance package for the Buick Regal featuring two-tone paint in gray and black, okay? Meaning black on the outside, gray on the inside, okay? A T-top roof with removable panels, which this one is, and the rear spoiler, a console-mounted shifter, meaning the center console, bucket seats, and special turbine-style alloy wheels. Okay, throughout the years, they've changed the wheels as they progressed. But as you guys know, this is the last of the Grand Nationals, which is 1987. And that's what makes it even more collectible, okay? As far as under the hood, we all know that the 3.8 liter is under the hood here with the turbo and the automatic overdrive, okay? So that's one of the known facts. There are plenty of more that I can send you if it's something that you're interested in. The MGM Classic Car Buy It Now price is $48,974. Financing is definitely available. We have great financing, guys. If your credit score is between 630 and 770, rates start at about 8%. Loans go up to 240 months. That's 20 years. Now, you don't have to go that long, but it will keep your payment super low, guys. Payments are as low as $575 a month. You will find the application at mgmclassiccars.com. You will need good credit, okay? All approvals are based off your credit profile. Long terms are available, as I spoke of. No prepayment penalties. You can pay off the loan anytime or refinance. Your sales tax and delivery can be rolled into your financing in most occasions. So you guys can apply today. If you need delivery, please call or text me at 847-848-1037. 888-488-1850. Guys, gals, all cars are sold in as-is condition as shown here. We do welcome you guys to come over by appointment only. We're only 20 minutes from the Chicago O'Hare, and I know you guys are busy, but I do take my sweet time to present the cars. I strive on customer service. Call, text, email, anytime, guys. I am always here, and if I don't pick up, I will return by the end of the business day. MGM Classic Cars is my place here, guys, where I own over 200 cars, and you can check out all of these beautiful rides at mgmclassiccars.com. They're all hand-picked and ready to go, people, okay? I don't really do consignments here, guys. I invest my money in good product, put my money where my mouth is. No inflated commissions, guys. So if you're buying a car, always ask, is it on consignment? Because if it is, 9 times out of 10, it's overpriced. So be careful there from those other dealers. You can buy with confidence here. 100% customer feedback on eBay, guys. And I have over 500 5-star Google reviews. You know where we're located at 150 South Church in Addison, 60101. We're open Monday through Friday from 9 to 5, Saturday from 10 to 3. And any more information, guys, please visit mgmclassiccars.com. If you haven't subscribed to the YouTube channel, please click the subscribe button and the alert button. That way you get all of my new arrivals as they come in on a daily basis. We do sell lots of cars, 2-3 cars per day. So once you see them, sometimes you won't see them. They go pretty quick. So if you're interested, you found what you wanted, don't hesitate to call my number. You can text me or call me anytime. And again, that number is 847-848-1850. I would love to take you guys for a test drive, but we're frozen here December 6, 2025, guys. It's frozen outside, and I won't take this car in this weather. So it does drive great before I purchased it. Let's talk. 847-848-1850. Text me your zip code. I'll get you a delivery right to your driveway. Thanks for watching MGM.